Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil. Da-da-da.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I am back with another haul video. I know there have been a lot of hauls on my channel lately, but क्या करें यार, sale season है. But I don't think there will be any haul video anytime soon on my channel. Let's just hope, let's just pray. So Nykaa recently had their hot pink sale and I bought a few stuff from them. Most of them are random stuff and few of them are repurchases. So I thought of sharing them with you guys. So to know more about what all I got without wasting any further time, let's just dive straight into the video. I will start with skincare, and the first product I got is the one which I have talked about a lot, and that is this Garnier oil infused micellar water. If you have seen my current favorite skincare videos, I have talked about this product in detail. If you have not seen it, I will link it up below. But this is my holy grail makeup remover. Okay, I have used bottles and bottles of this. I don't know how many bottles of this I have finished, and I love this so much. I think this is a very affordable micellar water and it removes makeup really well. If you are wearing just normal eye makeup like just waterproof mascara or a kajal, this is a really nice option to remove it. You don't have to fall in the hassle of using a cleansing balm just for removing your eye makeup. This will do its job really well. It does remove your waterproof mascara nicely. This is really affordable. It also comes in a bigger bottle, but I have ordered the smaller bottle because I already have a cleansing balm to finish and I'm going to repurchase that, and I'm already eyeing one more cleansing balm. So I don't think a bigger bottle will be efficient and very good for storage also. So if you're looking out for good micellar water in affordable range, do give this Garnier micellar water a try. I cannot recommend this enough to you guys. The next product I got is the one which was in my wishlist since a really long time and I finally got my hands on it. Is this Juicy Chemistry Blood Orange and Rose Lip Balm. This lip balm is the one which many people rave about, and even Shreya Jain talked about this in one of her videos and she recommended it, and if she recommended it I had to buy it because her recommendations never fail me. And I was not expecting this small of a tub. This is really small for the amount you pay, but it is still good. I haven't used it yet because my parcel arrived yesterday and I just wanted to show you guys before using any of the products. I don't remember the price of any of the products. I will leave somewhere on the top. Now I was in lookout for a good moisturizing lip balm because sometimes when I wear liquid lipstick my lips tend to get a little bit too dry. I'm currently using the Nivea lip balm which is really nice, but I wanted a lip balm to start for a lip balm collection. I don't have that much lip balms to start with, but I think this is really nice. I have heard a lot about this, and if Shreya Jain talked about this, I had to try this. I have not touched this yet. I have not tried this yet on my lips, but I will definitely try this and I will let you guys know how it worked for me. The last skincare product I purchased is this Nykaa Skin Secret Spot Patches. This consists of tea tree and salicylic acid. I have never used spot patches. This is my first time using it. I know Innisfree does them a lot. This is a new launch and I purchased this product because I wanted to try acne patches out. Now I don't currently have any active acne or popping acne on my face, thankfully, but I bought this because in the future if I get any of them on my face and I want to apply makeup, this will come really handy. This is a really nice option. Like any acne spot patches are really nice option when you want to apply makeup on your popping acne. You can just apply this and then there will be no issue of any makeup residue sticking to it. Now this comes for 100 rupees, so this is really affordable, and you get 12 acne spot patches and there are 2 different sizes. So yeah, this is a really nice option. So this is the one thing I got and I'm really excited to try this, and I will definitely let you guys know how this worked for me. The next product is the one and the only haircare product I got, and this is this L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil. Now this serum is talked about a lot. I have seen a lot of creators talking about this, raving about this, so I wanted to try this out for myself, and that is why I bought the smaller bottle. Now I really love the packaging, such a cute little bottle, and I can easily try this out, and this is really travel friendly even though we are not going to travel anytime soon. Smaller bottle doesn't cost a lot. I was anyways looking for a good hair serum because the one which I was using got over, and I was looking out for this for a really long time. I have used L'Oreal serums before and they are mostly hit or miss, but I still wanted to try this out because of all the reviews regarding this. So that is why the small bottle, and I will definitely try this out and let you guys know how this worked for me. If you want a review regarding this product, do let me know. I'll do a honest review regarding this. So yeah, this is the one thing I got and I'm really excited to try this out. Next, all the products I'm going to talk about are makeup products, and the first one is this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascaras. I freaking love Maybelline mascaras. I think they make some of the best mascaras out there. They just know their mascaras, and also they are so affordable. Now this is a repurchase. This is my third tube, and I bought this because it does a really nice job in volumizing my lashes and giving them a nice effect. And I have not used any other mascaras other than Maybelline and L'Oreal. I think L'Oreal Lash Parade is also a nice one, but it is a really a bit pricey, and I don't think I need that right now because I'm not going out anywhere. And this does a fine job because I'm just using mascaras for filming right now, and I didn't want to invest in any other mascara just because it is on sale. This one is a really nice mascara and it is very affordable. So if you are looking out for a good mascara, and if you're just starting out with eye makeup, do give Maybelline Lash Sensational a try. The Colossal range is also very nice and it is very talked about. So yeah, do give Maybelline mascaras a try. I'm pretty sure you will love them. Next product is also repurchased, and that is this K Beauty Kajal. I have talked about this one in my current favorite makeup videos. If you have not seen it, I will link it up. Now this is my second purchase. I love this kajal so much. This is my mom's holy grail kajal. Okay, she really enjoys using this, and this is really nice if you have oily lids, super oily lids. I have them, and no kajal stays, but this one stays for a really nice amount of time. It doesn't smudge. It also comes with a smudger at the back, and it comes in 3 variants, but I think this one is the best because the other one I didn't like that much, but this one stays really nicely, and I got this at a really nice deal. I think K Beauty makes some of the best products. I'm already eyeing few of them, but I controlled at this time. I didn't want to stock up on them. If you're on lookout for a good kajal, do give K Beauty kajals a try, especially the one with the smudger at the back. I think they do a really commendable job at kajals, and I'm very sure you will love them. The next product is the one which I was not planning to buy because it is never in stock. Is this Essence Make Me Brow. Now people say this is a dupe of Benefit Gimme Brow, which is really costly, and this comes at 1/4 of the price. Now, I was not planning to buy any eyebrow products. I don't know why I was looking for them, and I saw this and I remember this is never in stock, and now it is in stock. So I added this on my cart without any second thoughts, and I think this is the darkest shade. This is the shade 01, and it only comes in 2 shades. 02 is a light shade. I saw so many creators raving about this product. This is a cult favorite, and this is an eyebrow gel mascara, and the wand is like a mascara wand, and I have not used it yet, and I cannot wait to use it honestly. When I do a full-fledged eye makeup, I will definitely use it and let you guys know how this worked for me, but I'm just so excited to try this out. Last 2 products are going to be lipstick, and the first one is the one which everyone is talking about nowadays, and that is this Miss Claire Matte Liquid Lipstick. Now this one is so affordable, like even without a discount this is nothing, and if people even compare the formulation to Max RMLC, which is the OG. Okay, I really enjoy using them, but I am so happy I made this purchase because I was eyeing this since a long time, and I finally bought this during the sale. Now this is in the shade 01, and I bought this shade because this looks like a dark vampy shade, and this shade caught my attention out of all the swatches, and I'm definitely buying few more shades in this once I get to know how the formulation fares for me, or how the color looks on me. And the packaging is so chic, so luxurious. This one reminds me of my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Vamp. I got that in 2017 from Dubai, and I loved it so much. I used to use it so frequently it got over, and from that day onwards, like it's been 4 years, I'm trying to find that liquid lipstick to find that shade, but I'm not able to get it. I think they discontinued the shade or something. I know Anastasia is in India, but that shade is nowhere to be found, and if this shade turns out to be a dupe of that, I will cry happy tears. Okay, I'm very excited to try this liquid lipstick out, and I'm definitely going to purchase few more shades in this if it turns out to be bomb. The last lip product is also a repurchase, and that is this L'Oreal Color Rich Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade 251 Blackberry Hue, and this is for my mom. This is her second one, and she really loves this. Okay, the shade is so pretty, so beautiful. I hope the camera is able to catch the color, and she loves this shade so much. Even I love this shade. I enjoy using this. This is my kind of shade honestly, and this I got at a really affordable deal. Okay, I think L'Oreal is a bit pricey when it comes to lipstick, even though the formulation is really nice, but the prices are always high. So if you want to get L'Oreal lipsticks, try to get them on discount. I think you will get a really nice deal on discount. Otherwise they are a bit costly, but I really enjoy their formulation, and I think they make some really nice shade. So yeah, this is the one thing and the last thing I got. These are all the things I got from the Nykaa Hot Pink sale. As I said, they are random purchases and most of them are repurchases. This time when I shopped from the sale, I shopped for only those products which were much needed and which I had to repurchase, and I shopped very mindfully because currently I am on an emptying out spree. I want to empty out on a lot of products, so I didn't want to stock on a new products. There were so many products in my wish list which I wanted to buy, but I controlled myself so much because यार सेल तो आते जाते रहेंगे. You can always buy those products in the next sale because there are always some of the other sale going on Nykaa. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give this video a big fat thumbs up and also comment down below and let me know your favorite product from the haul, or if you have shopped from the hot pink sale and what you all got, and I will definitely love to know it. And if you're new to my channel and if you like what you see so far, hit that subscribe button and also click the bell icon for the notifications, and I will see you guys with a new topic in my next video. Bye.